So if I go back here to my red, I'm going to double click to bring it up again. What I want to do is transform it. So we're going to try to change the scale. And right now it is at a 1, which means it fills the screen. I'm going to do 0.5 so that you can see that it is now half the size. And its position is 480x and 270y. If we reset that, it goes back to 0, 0 because it has filled the screen. So I'm going to go back here, 0.5, and then that allows us to transform this into a smaller size. Now we can move this around if we'd like, and we'll get to that in just a second, but I'm going to leave it there for now. I'm going to click done so you can see what we have here. I want something underneath that, obviously, because we can't let that sit on a frame without something underneath it. So we have this dark gray here. Now, this dark gray comes in automatically at 8 seconds. Again, we've shortened this to 4 seconds, and that's going to be important for in just a second. You'll see. So I'm going to double click here. We're going to do some animation. Now, this is a rudimentary sort of version of what we understand in professional software as keyframes, which gives you, a professional software will give you a lot more flexibility, it'll give you a lot more precision, but what we're going to do here is we're going to, it says start, and we have a start position and an end position. So that's going to last the 4 seconds as long as that clip is that we created. Now you can move and shorten or elongate that clip, and that will determine how fast or slow things will move. So I'll show you in just a moment, but we have a start position here at, I'm going to move this over, and so we have at 357 at 285, we're going to do start position. Now we're going to go over to end position, and we're going to make it over here, we're going to make it bigger. So you can see how it works from start to finish. So again, start and our end. So now let's play it. Over those 4 seconds, you'll see that it grows and it moves to the right, which is a really fun thing that we can do, and we can gives that some motion and visual interest on our screen. I'm going to click done. Again, this is the gray underneath it, and it's going to last as long as that 4-second clip here that we have our background that is now a shortened or clipped version of that. I'm going to hit play. You can see the timeline here. It goes through to 4 seconds. Now we don't have anything underneath it, but the 4 seconds, you can see that it goes from small and to the left to larger and to the right, and it lasts for that 4 seconds. Now let's see, we want to put that at, and you can see down here in this time code where the clip is, that it's exactly 3 seconds long now. Let's see how that changes the animation. It's going to go faster, and it'll get bigger and move faster because it is a start position and an end position with a shorter amount of time. Now I'm going to make that slightly longer. We'll go to 5 seconds, and we'll see how that changes the animation. Again, it's growing, but it takes a longer amount of time because this clip is now 5 seconds. And I hope that gives you a little bit of a basis for understanding some of the features here. Again, these are pretty simple and easy to grasp, and you can do a lot if you just play around with them.